वेलकम टू अ डे इन माई लाइफ वेर मैं तो हर रोज़ ही मेरे वीडियोज़ डेली व्लॉग्स अपलोड करती रहती हूँ। तो यू मस्ट थॉट कि भाई ये क्या आ गया अभी। खैर आप लोग इसको देखते रहिएगा एंड लास्ट तक ज़रूर बने रहिएगा। सो बेसिकली आई एम खुशिशा हु इज़ परसुइंग सेकेंड ईयर फिजियोथेरेपी degree from Ahmedabad Physiotherapy College. Let's be very honest, okay? So बेसिकली मैं जिस कॉलेज में हूँ ना भाई वो कॉलेज एकदम बेस्ट है। क्यों? क्योंकि मैं आपको आगे बताती हूँ। सो बेसिकली मेरा कॉलेज जो है ना वो एक कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है, दैट इज़ फिजियो रिवॉल्व 2024, जिसके लिए मैं अभी ऐसे तैयार हो रही हूँ। एंड ऑब्वियसली हाउ कैन आई फॉरगेट मैं महादेव जी। ऐसे मैं कभी भी ऐसा नहीं बोलती हूँ उनको। सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट ये फिज़ो रिवॉल्व का जो है ना भाई, आप जो क्लिप्स में देख रहे हो ना सामने बड़ी बड़ी हस्तियाँ, येस आई विल कॉल दैम हस्तियाँ बिकॉज दे आर लाइक सेलेब्स, नॉट लाइक सेलेब्स, दे आर सेलेब्स। एंड भाई ही इज़ द ग्रेट डॉक्टर अली ईरानी सर। भाई साहब इनकी स्पीच सुन के तो आई वॉज, my mind was totally blown away after hearing him. And he said one thing, that is we all are healers, we all have healing hand। भाई साहब ये एक चीज़ ने मेरी ऐसे मेरा दिल ही जीत लिया था इन एनी पॉसिबल वे। एंड फिर थे डॉक्टर यज्ञा शुक्ला मैम, वो तो आ नहीं पाए थे, बट हाँ फ्रॉम ये इंटरनेट का ज़माना है तो भाई हम कहाँ से भी किसी से भी बातचीत कर सकते हैं। तो भाई यहाँ भी उनकी बहुत अच्छे से स्पीच सुनी थी हमने। एंड मेरा कॉलेज जो है ना, स्पेशली डॉक्टर गौरव सर हमारे प्रिंसिपल, भाई साहब उन्होंने इतने एफर्ट्स डाले हैं। लाइक पूरे एक महीने से हमारे सारे फैकल्टीज़, इवन हमारे ट्रस्टीज़ वगैरह सब लोग इस पूरे कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए इतनी तैयारी कर रहे थे कि क्या ही बताओ। आई गेस 700 प्लस स्टूडेंट्स थे ये वाले स्पेसिफिक कॉन्फ्रेंस में। एंड ये ना मेरे क्लासमेट्स हैं। लाइक इनको पता नहीं क्यों मेरे वीडियो में आने का काफ़ी मन होता है, आई गेस सो। सो या तो बेसिकली हमको ना यहाँ से एक प्रेजेंटेशन रूम में जाना था, तो बस हम लोग वहीं पे जा रहे हैं। एंड या आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट माई फैकल्टीज। सो भाई साहब इस कॉलेज में आने का मेरा एक ही तात्पर्य था कि मेरे को एजुकेशन चाहिए, वो भी नेक्स्ट लेवल का। एंड वो मेरे को यहीं से मिल रहा है। मतलब मैंने पूरा फर्स्ट ईयर पास आउट किया विद वेरी गुड मार्क्स। एंड आई हैव नॉट इवन इमेजिन्ड कि मैं इतना अच्छा कर भी पाऊँगी करके। लेकिन दिस ऑल वॉज पॉसिबल जस्ट बाय आर कॉलेज बिकॉज दे लिटरली gave each and every kind of opportunity to us। And lastly we had this you know टॉकिंग सेशन काइंड ऑफ। एंड अब होता है पीओ टॉक्स। भाई साहब इसमें आप जो क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सुनेंगे ना, यू विल बी लाइक यू आर गोइंग टू थैंक मी। सो
is important now in the field of physiotherapy, or why is degree not enough to go ahead?
As I said in the morning, patient will never ask you whether you are BPT or MPT. Patient never asks whether you are PhD or what's your specialty. Patient wants your skill.
Since we're talking about the profession, there is this thing of putting DR, doctor, before the name, and then PT at the end. So some highlight on the same.
We have a Allahabad court hearing where people had gone and put a case against Rajneesh. Why he calls himself Bhagwan Rajneesh. Right? And the order was highest degree that one can give to oneself is God, Bhagwan. He cannot force you to call it. Right? So in our country, let us talk about our parents. We all have parents. Do you call your parents by the name? Ma, Ai, Mom, right? That has come from where? There is respect. So please understand that word doctor is a respect. Show me one mark sheet, one degree. I'm not talking about MBBS. Go further down. Go to MD, go to MS. Right? Please find out. Ask any doctor to show the degree mark sheet and degree to your. The name will be written as Mr., Miss, or Mrs. It's not as doctor. Because university believes only PhD is doctor. So in which way you want to put it, it's that. So art, whether we write doctor or not doesn't make it principle. When I was a student in Baroda, the whole city used to call me Ali Physio. Right? So I didn't need it. Like now also I don't need it. If I'm doing it, it's for the juniors, okay, maybe that status maintained. Fine, everybody calls me Ali, I'm so happy with it. My work should speak. So not the title before that. So one, 26 years practicing orthopedic surgeon from India goes to US. You know what he writes after 26 years? He has to write Mr. before his name. He is not allowed there. Okay, so please understand. The word DR comes in before your name. How it comes? All the people who are Jyotish, don't they write Jyotish Ratna before the name? All of them are Jyotish Ratna. Why? That's the title given to them by the association, by the council. So anybody who has done MBBS, it's bachelor in medicine, it's bachelor in surgery, they're bachelor in physiotherapy. So they go to IMA, Indian Medical Council. They put that title as DR. You all finish, go to Gujarat Council, become a member of Gujarat Physiotherapy Council. They also have a Gujarat Council membership. There's a DR written in front of my name. You go to Maharashtra ODPD Council, there's a DR written before your name, but not your degree. Check your mark sheet. So even if you do MPT, it will be Mr., Mrs. or Mr., Mrs. or Miss. It's not going to be doctor. So the word DR, again go and search in different dictionaries. What is the meaning of doctor? So the real meaning of doctor is a teacher. The one as teacher also can be called a doctor. So please remove all that. What difference it's going to make to you what you're going to be called? Right? Whether you are doing your work, whether people are coming to you. There are so many practitioners today in India. Right? They are seeing patients the roadside. They are putting your bone in order and all that thing. They don't even want the title. They don't even write the name there. Right? So I think so. The young people think if doing physiotherapy, whether I can run. Many people ask me that question. I said, why don't you call your mom by their parents? Call them, Mr. Desai, Mrs. Desai, whatever you want. Your surname is them, right? Or Raksha Bain. And so why you are doing it, it's respect. So the word doctor has come to us because we are treating anybody who there's another meaning in dictionary. Anybody who deals with patient can write the word doctor. So you can write. If it doesn't answer the highest degree, please write Bhagwan also. Nobody will stop you. There's an order. Highest degree that one can give to oneself. Start calling yourself Bhagwan tomorrow, or write God before your name. But you can't force others to call you that. And if people, your followers, they will call you. Everybody was calling Bhagwan Rajneesh. Right? The followers, but he could not claim and tell you, "Kyun nahi bulaya Bhagwan? Bhagwan bulao." No, so you cannot force yourself to doctor bulao. Right? So
Agreed, yes.
raise your level to an extent. Even God should ask you, tell me what do you want. And please, it's going to come. I gave you all the formulas in the morning, how to do with it. Right? And you will, all will, because we all have a healing hand. We are healers. Start from tomorrow, be nice to your patients, talk to them nicely, start at home.
I previously also mentioned कि we all are healers and we all have healing hands, and I also mentioned कि we have 700 plus students in this conference hall. तो basically यहाँ पे जो 700 plus students हैं ना, उसमें से भाई most of the students were outsiders, like 400-500 students हमारे कॉलेज के थे एंड बाकी के बाहर के थे. एंड यू नो व्हाट भाई, इतना सबने वाहवाही की है ना हमारे गौरव सर की, क्या ही बताओ. एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ अप्रिसिएशन आवर कॉलेज गॉट इज लाइक.
तो अली सर जो इतने एज पे है, इतना एक्सपीरियंस है, और जो ये यहाँ पे बैठे यंग स्पोर्ट्स फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, मतलब आप देखो ओल्ड से लेके यंग को उतार दिया उन्होंने यहाँ पे अंदर. तो ये जो तरीका है उनका, ये सराहनीय है. तो थैंक यू अहमदाबाद फिजियोथेरेपी कॉलेज टू मेक दिस इवेंट इज वैल्यूएबल फॉर ऑल फिजियोथेरेपी. थैंक यू.
So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Okay, bye.